Gonna chase her away. Gonna push her away. She doesn't want to
go away, it's my baby.
Yeah, exactly.
My baby. Good job, Cleopatra. Good job. Yeah, that's the blanket. You don't want to lick the blanket. You want to lick your son. There you go.
I don't know how he doesn't wake up.
You know that's the equivalent of?
That's funny.
My mom.
Wipe your eyebrows. Lick your thumb and
You got
wipe your
peanut butter
eyebrows.
on the side of your mouth, and your mom licks your thumb and just goes, and you're like, oh, mom, spit.
Little face. Little face.
Come on, baby.
There are all these cats around.
That's another Devon.
There's another Devon Rex saying
It's
hello.
a spring heat. You gotta start deciding what you doing with what. Who you doing with what? Jealous? You jealous?
It's okay, Lambert.
Hey.
Little cat fight, it's okay. It happens.
Wow.
Gotta separate them. She doesn't want anybody around her babies. It's okay. I don't want to hurt your baby.
Hello, Sphinx cat.
Put you away before she gets you too.
Mommy. Cleopatra. Romeo and Cleopatra.
She's got
Standing guard.
protective mode.
Romeo's like, I don't want anything to do with that.
I'm out of this fight.
He did
It's
exactly.
like dog.
It's like every other guy. Women are fighting, I'm out of here.
outside.
I'm out of here.
Go outside. And then you call them, you won't come in. What are you getting so nervous about? Nobody's gonna hurt your baby. No one's hurting your baby. You're sleeping.
Oh, honey.
She's so funny because she's kind of quiet type, and she'll go over and just hit him on the head. The black ones are talkative, mom. She'll growl at anything, but she really doesn't do anything.
And
Woke him up though. He scared the baby.
oh, baby, it's okay. It's okay. I gotcha.
Done first.
First is oh, that first, yeah.
Those verses.
She's like, ooh, coach.
She's got good taste.
Is that Cleopatra?
She's rubbing on the purse.
Typical girl.
Leave her all upset.
There we go. Back to bath time.
Here, Rhonda.
Hmm?
Rhonda, I'm gonna go put this in the car.
Okay.
Have a cigarette.
You gotta quit smoking when the baby comes home.
I know. I gotta quit smoking anyway.
I've been telling them. Better
Well, I
stop.
quit kind of quit for a little while, and I came back.
That's bad. It's like $10 a packet. Can't believe how much.
I buy the generics.
Kids have no money and they're out there smoking.
We definitely have to know, that's why.
I don't know why gas prices are so high.
Holy
We
crap.
got so much oil coming out of our ears, and
It's unreal.
just got gas of over $4.
I guess Obama really doesn't want to get reelected.
Well, they're trying not to let him. He needs to do something now.
Gas prices keep going up
He's got.
before the election.
I know. I know. He's got to do something about it, though.